Known for craft food and beer, Portland is an excellent city to visit. But sometimes you need a break from the hustle and bustle and gridlock. A Portland nature break. Look no further than Washington Park. Located above downtown in the Portland Hills, this park is studded with trails, botanical gardens, the Oregon Zoo, and a lot more. On a visit from his home country, a Japanese ambassador stated that the Portland Japanese Garden was the most authentic outside of Japan. Around each corner is tucked statuary, water features, landscaping, and architecture constructed in the traditional style. Find your zen here. Although not quite wild, the Oregon Zoo does house many animals we typically would never see here in Oregon. The diversity of life is on full display. Take time to notice the features and the adaptations of the animals here. How have their native environments shaped them to what we see today? Stop and smell the roses at the Portland International Rose Garden. There are over 500 varieties growing here. Alive with color and smell today, the garden grew out of the turmoil of World War I. It was feared that the conflict would destroy many unique roses from Europe, so specimens were brought here to Portland for safekeeping. For more information, head to Travel Portland.